Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, my wonderful people. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for watching our video, subscribing, sharing, liking. Much love to you guys. Love our real fans. Thank you for those when they support us for Blacks in Europe TV. We say big thank you to all of una. Much love to you guys. Love you like never before. So my wonderful people, abeg, if today na your first day of coming across to this channel, abeg no forget to subscribe because for this channel we dey talk about many things. We dey talk about social issue, short video about document, marriage and relationship issue. So my wonderful people, no forget to subscribe abeg, do me a favor, when you subscribe finish, hit the bell so that anytime we upload video or we dey live, you just get the notification, you know, understand. So now, so you be my wonderful people, thank you so much. I want to use this opportunity to thank those of una wey wish me happy birthday. Celebration no go depart from una, and those one wey no quick here, those one wey later come see wish me good, I wish you good. You know, understand, my people. As una follow me celebrate no go depart from una. And those one wey no see chance say see watch am, celebration no go depart from una. Na so e be, my wonderful people. Na so e be, our real fans. Much love to you guys. Love you people like never before. So na so e be, my people. Abeg, today topic na about people wey you dey help. May we be wise. May we be wise. Know wetin we dey do with people. Mostly as social media don dey rampant so. Mostly if you be celebrity, if you be presenter, you be all this popular, you dey in midst of people, you dey in midst of people. Mind the kind of people you help and be wise. E no mean say if you help person you go drag am follow body. No be everybody. Some people just wan say don teach me how to fish. If na that one dem need, just do for them, move on with your life. No dey drag dem follow body, because some people they are ungrateful. They are really ungrateful. No be everybody wey you help you dey drag follow body, because they are not even happy that you dey in that position to help them. For you to know say that kind of person, you need to be careful. Use your konuche, use your number 6. You know, understand, my people. And another advice again, when I don see una see as social media matter don turn to. Before, social media they take am dey talk with, that is, if you come outside for social media, you go talk wetin dey worry you, people go talk good. But nowadays e don turn to where they dey disgrace person, where you know wetin you dey do with friends. Mostly una wey be celebrity, una wey be presenter, know wetin you dey do for inside that place. Because if you not take time, that will be your doom. Mostly those of una wey be like say they dey do friendship, boyfriend and girlfriend, when you dey friend celebrity like you are going to your doom. Sorry to say, I no know for you, for the way when I think it's not the best way, because the way when many people don't take this social media of 18 and if you dey friend person, social media presenter, the friend social media presenter, that is your doom. If you want date, don't date your fans. Don't date person like you. Just date person wey be like say you no even know your identity, you no know anything concerning about your work. It's better, my people. Because the way dey happen, as una dey see am as friend dey disgrace friend, where wetin they don do for years, they go wait, e go happen. Una dey see am with una eye. As people, you go help them, they go turn to ungrateful. They go come dey spoil you, dey give people. They won't come turn your head, maybe say the good way you do may turn to bad. Una dey see am. Na konuche na number 6 my wonderful people. I just say ma share this wonderful video with una. Beg, I go drop one short video, una watch am anyhow. Una see am, una drop comment at the comment section. You know, understand, my wonderful people. I beg, may we use our brain. This life na guario. You know, understand, because this life I don't pass that one. If you be presenter, don't go and friend your viewers, because that will bring your doom. Know the kind people you help. Not everybody where you help you dey drag follow body. As you help them, forget about them, move on with your life. because things dey happen wey be like say you go take guessing, e no mean say you no go help. No look say, because if you notice good people, their disadvantage dey many pass advantage wey dem take dey help people. The bad side wey dem go come return to dem, instead of make good side pass, dem go come turn am make bad side come many pass. So na im make we need to use our wisdom in anything we are doing. You no understand, my wonderful people? So na that news I say make I come tell us o, or make I come tell una today o. Anyhow una see am, una drop una message, you no understand? Abeg, if today na your first day, I repeat again, abeg my wonderful people, our real fans, abeg no forget to subscribe. For this channel we dey talk many things, we dey talk different kind of news for here. Abeg no forget to subscribe, and no forget to hit that notification bell, so that anytime when we drop video, you go just be notified. You no understand? You go see the alert for your phone, you go just know say we don upload again. So na so e be, my wonderful people. Thank you so much. Thank you for promoting us, watching our video. May God bless una. Almighty God go continue to dey empower una. You wish me good, I wish you good. Anybody wey wish us well, na so welly good things go dey favour am, dey follow am anywhere. They say if something happen to person good, if good thing happen to person, follow am happy. The good thing go still reach your side. So don't worry, no matter how e take reach, your time is coming. Everybody get a time when e take come life. So na so e be, my wonderful people. Much love to you guys. Love you people like never before. Much love. See you next in my next video. Please don't forget to drop your comment. Anyhow you see am, just no understand, we dey learn every day. So take care, okay? Be wise, my wonderful people. Our real fans, abeg, may you be wise, okay? See you next.
It's about helping. When you're in a capacity of a helper, when you're able to help and you help. And I have just noticed that we need to be very careful the people that we help. We need to be very careful the people that after helping them, we bring them into our inner caucus. Because I think it's now proven beyond reasonable evidence that it is not everybody that you help that really likes the fact that you're even in a position to help them. See, when you're a celebrity, my advice is don't date your fan. Don't date your fan. Date someone that really doesn't know what you do. Maybe whether you're a singer or an actor or whatever, just date somebody that really doesn't know what you do. Because if not, you see that's your fan that you finally begin to date, that sees your nakedness and everything. When they will start. And again, never make friends below your circle, below your, in fact, I want to be humble enough to say, okay, let's forget about all these class things and everything, but there are some people that they don't need to eat on your table. When you help them, just leave them where they are. When you're a nice, kind person, and when you're a giver, the disadvantages is too much. Just give and just leave them there. The incidents with the celebrity woman, right? She was helping somebody. We all know that. She was helping. And there's one thing led to another. We don't know. Okay, many years later, 4 years later, the guy came out. Instead of him to just say, okay, let me report to the husband, he now decides to report to the world. To say, what was his... I always want to know, waiting be the plan. What was his plan? What was his plan behind that action? It's to destroy her, to bring her down, to destroy her marriage, to destroy her home, to bring down her family, as in to embarrass her children, join self. Yeah? What 4 years ago, like you're bringing it up now. Why? See the Gokada guy, his PA, his personal assistant, that even stole his money. A lot of times you help somebody to pay back the money is wahala, to bring back your clothes wahala. You take them to where you even do business. For those ones that do business, you show them to your supplier. Before you know it, your supplier is not picking your call anymore. Wahala. Then you help somebody and you say, oh, this person is very nice, and you bring the person into your caucus of friends. Before you know it, gossip don't start. It is not every dog that you feed that will be appreciative. Some just need energy from the food that you have given them to bite you. Be wise. Just be very wise.